How to speak like a professional. I versus me. Do you love when people start their sentences with the word me? Me and Tommy are going to the bookstore to get some proper grammar. Do you want to come too? Yes, I don't love this problem. In fact, I can't believe anyone has the temerity to make these statements. How can I help? I am so glad you asked. Step 1. Do not start a sentence with the word me. Step 2. Refer back to step 1. Step 3. Seriously, you think there is another step? SMH. But how will I sound? Let's find out, shall we? Instead of me and Tommy, start the sentence with Tommy's name. Tommy and I no longer need to go to the bookstore to get some proper grammar because we already have some. Wow, you and Tommy are amazing. The actual rule. The word I can act as the subject or predicate nominative of a sentence or as an appositive modifying the subject or predicate nominative. The word me can act as the object of a preposition, a direct object, an indirect object, or as an object modifying one of those three types of objects. Whew. Proper examples of I. I am happy. In this sentence, I is the subject. The happy person was I. In this sentence, I is a predicate nominative. Two people, Tommy and I, are so happy. In this sentence, I is an appositive modifying the subject. It is we, Tommy and I, who are so happy. In this sentence, I is an appositive modifying the predicate nominative we. Proper examples of me. If you want to be happy, come with me. In this sentence, me is an object of the prepositional phrase with me. The books made me happy. In this sentence, me is an indirect object. Do you want me to go to the bookstore? In this sentence, me is a direct object. Do you want to go with us, Tommy and me, to the bookstore? In this sentence, me is an appositive modifying the prep phrase with us. Are you speaking like a professional yet?